How's it going over there?
Hey, well, you and I did good. We have our cables and their housings mocked up through the factory routing on both sides.
Beautiful.
Probably going to take this here, the OEM Shingadera, take that baby off and adapt the one that comes with
One of them?
the Willwood setup.
Or they both go with the setup?
You can use both, but I have an idea on how to just use the one. Then we'll trim our sheaths here. And put that on here, and it should, in theory, go done.
How's it go?
Done. Anyway.
I like it.
So, we got it all routed. It's looking good. This is kind of one of those things that kind of had to come in last second because kit was described to us as using the factory cable. And of course, it doesn't.
What else is new?
What else is new? There's no way to make it work correctly. If this was the calipers that have the parking brake in the caliper itself from Willwood, the other type of caliper, instead of the little drum under the rotor, then that would have worked with the factory one.
Isn't that what we pretty much did with that 64.5?
Yes.
Okay. But that, I mean, that was a different company.
That was SSBC. Willwood does have that. It costs more, but I don't think they had the right backing plate for the correct rotor offset.
Okay.
For this rear end. So it was one of those things, you gotta pick and choose your battles. So
yeah. Well, I mean, it's not a bad battle.
No, it's not taking long. It's just a little additional time, but that's kind of out of our hands. But I mean, to make it work right and to work safe and be nice, we gotta do what we gotta do.
Yes, sir.
These are ready, so I'm gonna work on this a little bit more today. Probably until Kenny comes picks up his Benz. And then you and Scotty are gonna bleed the brakes on this tomorrow.
Yep.
I might be able to get this finished before I leave tonight.
That'd be cool.
Or get it at least close and leave you guys instructions.
That way.
And then tomorrow, once you guys bleed the brakes, we can set this down, finish up that one sway bar and link, and then you and I can align this and it can go home.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah, I like it.
And then we finish up 2 other cars.
Yeah, then we gotta try to get the vet out of here.
The vet, and we'll do some more work on that 66 stain. So, yeah.
Yeah, we gotta do that, and I gotta get the top up on the 66 bird tomorrow.
Yes. And
maybe you and I can tag team that in the afternoon.
sounds good.
All right.
All right.